Alright, so what we have here is my design fiction prototype with TinkerCAD. And I know that for the assignment, it said we had to have three different components, so I decided to combine my knowledge of LEDs, potentiometers, and servo motors together, and I decided to create this project called Playlist Generator. I know that a lot of times when I'm putting together playlists or even listening to my music, I kind of already think about what playlist it could go into. And I just think that's really fun for me and something I wanted to do to maybe make it a little easier on myself and maybe others because I've had people ask me how I put together playlists. Um, was through like TinkerCAD, this TinkerCAD design. So essentially, depending um, since Tinkercad doesn't have a pressure sensor, I decided to go with a potentiometer again. So pretty much how this would work is that you would place the pressure sensor probably under your feet or anywhere on your body where you would typically move. So this is to just capture any pressure or movement with like how you take in the song. If there's a lot of movement, the pressure sensor would pick up that movement and it would turn on the blue LED to indicate that there's high movement and that you do like the song. And if not under a certain number or a certain pressure, it would then trigger the yellow LED. And then the servo motor comes in as sort of like how it would sort the music from like which playlist it would fall into. So that's just working as a visual to kind of visualize the placement of the song into a certain playlist. So let's go ahead and start the simulation. All right, and see if there is no like low movement, the yellow LED will be on. But if you really like the song, the blue LED will turn on and the servo motor moves to sort of act as sorting the song into the certain playlist. Okay, and here is my code.